Welcome back to Down Under Motors, where we dive deep into the machines that shape modern agriculture. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most advanced harvesting machines ever built, the Fendt IDEAL Combine Harvester in its track ride version. This is not just a combine, it's a statement of engineering, efficiency, and future-focused farming. Across vast Australian fields and large-scale farms around the world, the IDEAL track ride is redefining what harvest performance truly means. At first glance, the Fendt IDEAL looks massive, powerful, and purposeful. But what really sets it apart is how intelligently that power is delivered. The track ride system replaces traditional front wheels with advanced rubber tracks, giving the combine superior flotation, stability, and traction. This means less soil compaction, better performance in wet or uneven conditions, and the ability to keep harvesting when others are forced to stop. For farmers working with tight harvest windows, this alone can make the difference between profit and loss. The heart of the Fendt IDEAL is its unique single-rotor threshing system known as the IDEAL rotor. Unlike conventional combines that rely on multiple components to thresh and separate grain, the IDEAL uses one long rotor that stretches nearly 5 meters in length. This design allows crop material to flow smoothly and consistently, reducing grain damage while maximizing throughput. Whether harvesting wheat, barley, canola, corn, or sorghum, the IDEAL rotor adapts effortlessly to changing crop conditions. Powering this machine is a high-performance engine designed for efficiency as much as raw output. Depending on the model, the IDEAL series delivers enormous horsepower while maintaining surprisingly low fuel consumption. Fendt's engineers focused heavily on reducing unnecessary power losses, which means more energy goes directly into harvesting rather than wasted through inefficiencies. For operators, this translates into longer working hours, fewer refueling stops, and lower operating costs over the season. The track ride tracked system deserves special attention because it fundamentally changes how a combine interacts with the land. The wide tracks distribute the machine's weight over a much larger surface area compared to tires. This significantly reduces ground pressure, helping preserve soil structure for future crops. In regions where soil health is critical, this is a massive advantage. The tracks also provide exceptional grip on slopes and soft ground, giving operators confidence even in challenging field conditions. Inside the cab, the Fendt IDEAL feels more like a high-end command center than a traditional farm machine. The Vision cab offers excellent visibility in all directions, with large glass surfaces and a well-positioned seating area. Noise levels are kept impressively low, allowing the operator to work long hours without fatigue. Climate control, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls all contribute to a comfortable and productive working environment. At the core of the operator experience is Fendt's IDEAL Harvest system, an intelligent automation feature that continuously monitors grain quality, losses, throughput, and machine load. Using acoustic sensors and advanced algorithms, the combine adjusts itself in real time to maintain optimal performance. This means the machine can react instantly to changing crop density or moisture levels without constant manual intervention. For operators, especially during long harvest days, this reduces stress and ensures consistent results. Grain handling is another area where the IDEAL track ride excels. The massive grain tank offers one of the largest capacities in its class, allowing the combine to harvest longer before unloading. When it's time to unload, the high-speed unloading system moves grain quickly and smoothly, minimizing downtime. The unloading auger is designed for precision, ensuring clean transfers even into high-sided grain carts or trucks. Straw management is equally impressive. Whether farmers want finely chopped residue for rapid decomposition or neatly spread straw for baling, the IDEAL offers flexible options. The straw chopper and spreader system is engineered to distribute material evenly across the full cutting width of the header. This uniform residue management plays a crucial role in preparing fields for the next planting season. Maintenance and serviceability were clearly priorities during the design of the IDEAL combine. Daily service points are easily accessible from ground level, reducing the time and effort required for routine checks. The machine's layout allows technicians to quickly access key components, which helps minimize downtime during critical harvest periods. Fendt also integrated advanced diagnostics, allowing potential issues to be identified early before they become costly problems. Another standout feature is the connectivity and data management built into the IDEAL platform. Modern farming relies heavily on data, and this combine delivers it in real time. Yield maps, moisture data, and performance metrics are collected and can be transferred directly to farm management systems. This information helps farmers make informed decisions about inputs, crop planning, and overall farm efficiency. The tracked version of the IDEAL is particularly well suited to large-scale operations and Australian conditions. Wide paddocks, variable soils, and unpredictable weather demand machines that can adapt quickly. The track ride system ensures stable performance even during wet seasons or in heavy soils, while the machine's sheer capacity makes it ideal for high-yield crops and tight harvest schedules. From a design perspective, the Ideal track ride looks every bit as advanced as it performs. Clean lines, a bold stance, and functional styling reflect its purpose-built nature. Every element, from the header to the rear axle, feels engineered with intention. This is not a machine built on compromises, it's built to lead. Fuel efficiency is another critical advantage. Despite its size and power, the Ideal manages fuel intelligently through smart engine management and optimized power delivery. Over an entire harvest season, these savings can be substantial, especially for large operations running multiple machines. Lower fuel use also means reduced emissions, aligning with the growing push toward more sustainable farming practices. Operator training and ease of use are often overlooked, but Fendt has done an excellent job making the Ideal accessible. The user interface is intuitive, with clear displays and logical menu structures. Even operators new to the machine can become productive quickly, while experienced drivers can fine-tune settings to match their preferences and field conditions. The reliability of the Ideal Combine has also earned it a strong reputation. Built with high-quality materials and tested under extreme conditions, it's designed to withstand long hours and tough environments. Farmers depend on their combines during harvest more than any other time of year, and the Ideal delivers that dependability when it matters most. In real-world operation, the Ideal track ride shines during long harvest days. Its ability to maintain consistent throughput without sacrificing grain quality sets it apart. Even in lodged crops or uneven terrain, the combine maintains smooth crop flow and stable operation. This consistency not only boosts productivity but also reduces operator fatigue and stress. Looking at the bigger picture, the Fendt IDEAL track ride represents the future of harvesting. Automation, data integration, soil protection, and operator comfort all come together in one machine. It's a clear example of how agricultural machinery is evolving to meet the demands of modern farming while respecting the land it works on. For farmers considering an upgrade or expansion, the Ideal track ride is more than just a combine, it's a long-term investment. Its efficiency, durability, and advanced technology offer returns not just in yield, but in time saved, fuel reduced, and soil preserved. Over multiple seasons, these benefits add up in a big way. As harvest seasons grow shorter and pressures on farmers increase, machines like the Fendt IDEAL track ride become essential tools rather than luxuries. They allow operators to work smarter, not harder, and to get the most out of every hectare. In a world where precision and efficiency are key, this combine stands at the top of its class. That brings us to the end of today's deep dive here on Down Under Motors. If you enjoyed learning about the Fendt IDEAL Combine Harvester tracked version, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow farmers and machinery fans, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth coverage of the world's most impressive machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.